My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the fake human verification alerts which come from the website News-sozuzi.cc. This is a fake human verification alert. Right now it attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them click on a special Allow button, supposedly to help users confirm that they are humans. But to click on Allow is extremely dangerous. This will hijack your browser with multiple advertisements that will be attacking your screen in the form of web push notifications. If you have clicked on Allow, you need to fix your browser. We recommend you to fix it automatically with the help of reliable antivirus software. Please consider Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and then begin researching and investigating your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.